Hello everybody, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to be talking about the user group right to view alerts within VALT. To start, we'll go to Settings, Users and Groups, select the group we want to give this right to, and scroll down to Rights. Within here we can open up Settings, and then we'll find Alerts. So to be able to show alerts, again, within VALT, not the email alerts that you can find through General. So if you don't want people to see that, you might want to turn it off there as well. But to actually see the alerts right here within VALT. This is going to show me every time any of our streaming devices go on or offline. I can also see this if I click on my profile and then click on the alert button. So it's going to bring me to the exact same page, so I can access it from either one of those. So if you take away the user group right to view alerts, they won't see it from the profile and they won't see it from settings. But if you give them that access to be able to view alerts, they can view it from either one of those two spots. That's the user group right to view alerts for when a camera goes on and offline within VALT.